Hi team, Mike Staub here, working with the community development team here in Charleston, and I've developed this video series for you all to help guide you through the newest revisions that have taken place on Appendix 5, the Financial Sustainability Worksheet. Now, the reason that we've gone about and made these changes is because we've received feedback from the field that filling out the replacement costs section, or it's also called the Appendix or the savings target section, has been a bit confusing in the past. And so while this new process is a little bit longer, it should hopefully be a lot easier moving forward into the future. And hopefully also fulfills another overall goal of Water Mission to be able to provide more accurate savings targets for communities. Now, we've received some feedback from some communities that savings targets are a bit high, as in we are asking communities to be saving too much money and putting away in their bank account every month. And these are funds that are used to pay for a broken pump in the future. That'll probably happen somewhere between 5 and 10 years from now. And it's also costs that are used to repair perhaps broken valves or even cracks in the concrete structure. And sometimes these costs have probably been overestimated, and therefore communities have constantly fell short or failed to meet these targets. So we wanted to put a process in place that would be able to more accurately develop a savings target that we had some more confidence in providing and presenting to the community. On the flip side, we've also had some communities where the savings target has been underestimated. And so while these communities are achieving their savings target and are hitting their target, they are still at risk at not having money available in their bank account when the time comes and parts fail and need to be repaired or even replaced. So this new process on the Financial Sustainability Worksheet helps to facilitate some of the key questions and the largest hurdles that we've seen in regards to our staff filling out this Financial Sustainability Worksheet. Now, I will go into greater detail in successive videos, and I hope that these videos are proved helpful to you. But I will provide some detail on how to fill out this newest version. But just a minute here as to what is primarily changed. First, this financial summary worksheet is still primarily the same as you have been familiar with and have been filling out over the past number of years. There's been an addition called this average inflation rate worksheet, which we have added. I will go into greater detail in what this means and how this factors in a later video. This worksheet is the same and pretty similar to what you're used to from past worksheets. This worksheet, called the Capital Cost CapEx worksheet, is a new one. I will also go through this in greater detail, as well as repair and replacement cost. This one is a much more involved worksheet, but will helpfully provide some guidance, be helpful to each of you as you are filling out the overall financial sustainability worksheet, and provide again this savings target month to month for communities that will be attainable as well as sustainable. And finally, there's this new worksheet also called price increase schedule. Again, I will go through this in greater detail. So I want to thank you for your attention, and I hope that you find the next few videos useful. And please feel free to reach out to me if there's any questions or if there's anything that is not clear over the next few videos. And again, hope that this process is easier and at the same time useful for our safe water committees, and ultimately helps Water Mission achieve its goals of installing and designing sustainable projects into the future.